Hey YouTube, this is Evan. I wanted to make a video today about how to install Tiger on your PC, basically making it a Hackintosh. So I am using the version JAS Tiger 10.4.8. It's the only version I've gotten to work, and yeah, let's get started. You can probably get the ISO image from thepiratebay.org or any other torrent tracker. Just make sure it's safe. In the comments, just check those out to make sure you're not downloading any viruses. But let's get started. Let's turn it on. And make sure to go into your boot menu by, on a Dell, press F12. And we will boot onto the CD-ROM. And it will say to install OS X, press enter, or whatever, another key. And it'll come up with this black screen, and it'll have a bunch of confusing text. You just have to wait for it to finish loading up and stuff. I'll come back when it's done. Okay, YouTube, so once it's done with the black screen, this blue screen will pop up, and look, your cursor. Pretty old cursor, your good old Mac cursor. And it'll keep loading up. And, oh, there's the spinning pinwheel. Okay, YouTube, so it's done loading, and you'll get the screen. It's gonna say Mac OS X, and we're gonna use English as our main language. So then click the little blue arrow, and it says preparing installation. And here we go. Welcome to the JAS OS 10.4.8 AMD Intel SSE2 SSE3 installer. Okay, yeah, you'll be at the screen, and go ahead and click continue. And yeah, you usually won't have these hard drives here, but I just tried to install Leopard and it didn't work. So I'm going to show you how to get those, because I am definitely sure that those won't be there. Go to your utilities up here, and click on Disk Utility. And it'll load up the disk utility. And there you go, gathering disk information. Okay, so what you want to do is it'll have your hard drive right here, and it might have your disk drive or any other additional hard drives. So there's your hard drive. There you go. We're gonna just erase the whole thing. And on the volume format, okay, to erase it, you go to the Erase tab right here. And if you want to do it on a partition, just click on that, go to the Erase tab, and yeah, I'm going to do the whole hard drive. So go ahead and click Erase, then make sure the volume format is MS Extended Journaled. And if you had Ubuntu, it'll be Unix, and if you had Windows, it's going to be MS-DOS file system. But change it to Mac OS Extended Journaled. And for the name, we're just going to put Macintosh HD. Okay, Macintosh HD. And just click Erase. And it might take a while. And if you have more than one partition, it'll say Erase Disk. Erasing the disk will destroy all information on both volumes of the disk. The disk has 2 volumes. Are you sure you want to erase the disk? And yeah, I'll click Erase. Okay, we'll let that finish, and there you go. There's your Macintosh HD. And once you're done with that, just click Disk Utility and click Quit. And now you'll have your hard drive, and it should say whatever you named it and how big it is and stuff. So just click it and go to Continue. Now here's one part that you really need to look into. You might want to find more information on this at osx86project.org on the wiki. Frankly, I don't have a printer with me right now, so I'm just going to take off all the printer drivers. I don't need fonts, language transitions, unless you're from a different country, so just uncheck that. One thing that you want to do is click Intel. JAS Intel 10.4.8 ATA key EXTS included, or if you have AMD, choose that one, not Intel, obviously. Now, let's see. I'm pretty sure you don't need any of that stuff. I never used it. And that's for your graphics cards. ATI, NVIDIA. And you can just look through all these drivers, see which ones you need. That's frankly all I have, and it comes with sound, and video seems to be fine with my integrated Intel. So go ahead and click install if you're all ready. And it'll say installing JS. Oh, first it'll say checking your installation DVD. I frankly have clicked skip all the time, so it's going to say preparing for installation. I'm going to pause the video when it's about halfway done, and just show you its progress. And yeah. Okay, YouTube. I just wanted to mention something. This installation is going to take a good 20 minutes, so you might want to get a snack or go watch some TV and wait for it to come back. Right now, it's installing Base System Part 1. It's probably going to finish that and then finish doing the rest of it, and it'll be done. But it says time remaining about 14 minutes, so we'll see when it's done, and I'll come back when it's about halfway through. Okay, YouTube, it's about halfway done, 58%, and it's just installing media files, and when it's done, I'll come back. Okay, YouTube, the installation's just about done. It says finishing installation, running Mac OS X installer script, and it says less than a minute, so we'll just wait for this to finish. Like I said, there's the annoying blue bar of doom. Yeah. One thing I should mention, if you have a wireless PCI card, you might want to check out insanelymac.com to find your wireless driver, because I have a Linksys PCI wireless adapter, and yeah, I can't get it working on Tiger. I've gotten my Linksys USB adapter working, but if you have Ethernet, it should be working fine. And sound works for me. I'll probably make a new video after this, how to triple boot your computer with OS X, Ubuntu, and Windows, Vista, or XP. Or whatever I decide on. Oh, wow, it's doing something else. Optimizing system performance, okay. Apparently, I should wait for that to finish. Okay, yeah, the software was successfully installed. And I'll say the computer will start in like 30 seconds, but I'm just going to go ahead and click restart. And your computer will restart in 22 seconds. Oh, okay, there we go. And it is restarting. Dell. Loading Darwin. And I'm guessing it was successful. There's your Apple logo. Let me make sure my speakers are up. You'll hear the Apple startup music. And it's loading up Mac OS X, Tiger. Okay, YouTube, sorry about that cutout. I just decided to stop there since I was starting to get past my limit on the YouTube, how long your YouTube video can be. But anyways, once you get past the loading screen, just enter in all the information, and you should be good. I'll see you next time, and if you have any questions, you can just message me on YouTube.